video is made for class 10 on chapter number 14 statistics, and today we are going to begin with exercise 14.2 from NCERT. Let's begin with question number 1. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So ages are given and number of patients are given. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of the central tendency. Now first of all, let us find out the mode of this. What is mode? Mode is the one where you have the maximum frequency. If you look at the number of patients, the highest number is 23. So according to 23, our model class will be taken as 35 to 45. Now according to the formula of the mode, I need F0, F1 and F2. The current 23 will be taken as F1, one previous frequency will be taken as F0 and one after frequency will be taken as F2. So that means F0 is 21, F1 is 23 and F2 is 14. Using this information, we will put this into the formula of the mode, which means L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now what is L? We know our class. So according to the model class, L will be 35, F1, F0 and F2. We know all the values we have written for the ready reference. So we can put it into the formula. It becomes 23 minus 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 multiplied by 10. What is 10? The difference in the model class. So solve this, you get 35 plus 1.8 which is equal to 36.8. So this is the value of mode. We will also find out mean for this using the formula of UI formula. We know what is UI. UI is xi minus a upon h. Here I am using my a as 30. Okay, according to this, when I solve, the frequency comes out to be 80 and FIUI when I solve it, it comes out to be 43. We know the formula of the mean is A plus H into sigma FIUI upon sigma FI. A we have assumed here 30, H we know the difference between the class interval, that is 10. Sigma FIUI we have found out 43 and sigma FI is 80. Solve this, you get 30 plus 5.37 which is equal to 35.37. So what maximum number of patients that were admitted in the hospital are of age group 36.8 years, which is approximately, whereas the average age of the patient admitted to the hospital as per the mean value is 35.37 years. Question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. Now lifetime is given to us, table is given 0 to 20, 20 to 40. So what is H here? H becomes 20. Frequencies are given to us 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. Which is the maximum highest frequency? 61. So my model class is 60 to 80. So for calculating the mode, I need F0, F1, F2. So based on my frequency and the model class, I can find out 52 will be F0, 61 will be F1 and 38 will be F2. So using this information, I will put this into the formula of mode, which is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what is L here? L becomes 60. So into the formula 61 minus 52 upon 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. What is 20? 20 is H, the difference between the model class. So 60 plus, on solving I get 5.625 which is 65.625. So thus the model lifetimes of the component is 65.625 hours or 65.6 hours approximately. Question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Now first of all, let us find the mode. Now mode can be found with the help of the frequency, which is the highest number over here. Number of families, if we look, it is 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. So out of this, 40 is the highest number of frequency. So we will follow the model class of 1500 to 2000. Based on this, we will find out what is F0, 24, F1 will be 40 and F2 will be 33. Using this information, we are going to put this into our formula of the mode, which states that L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now L becomes here 1500 according to the model class, plus 40 minus 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 multiplied by 500, which is the class difference. Now for your ready reference, please always write down all these parameters, what is L, H, F1, F0, F2 for your ready reference, so that you don't commit mistakes. Now solve this, you will get a 1847.83. So this is the model monthly expenditure according to the mode and this formula. Now we have to also find out this answer with the help of mean method. Now here, according to this, we will find out xi. Xi will be 1000 plus 1500 divided by 2. We know how to find out xi. We know how to find out fi, and according to this, we have taken 3250 as our assumed mean, and according to that, we will find out fi ui. Now when we find out total frequency comes out to be 200, and fi ui, that comes out to be minus 235. We know the formula of the step deviation method, that is A plus H into sigma fi ui upon sigma fi. We know A is 3250, we know H is 500, which is the difference between the class. Sigma fi ui we know minus 235 and sigma fi is 200. So on putting the formula, values will be like this: 3250 plus 500 into minus 235 upon 200. So you get 3250 minus 587.5, which gives us 2662.50. This is our average expenditure as per mean. Question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Now how to find out mode? We will find out the highest frequency, which is 10 over here. So model class becomes 30 to 35. Based on this, we can find out F0 is 9, F1 is 10 and F2 is 3. So we will use this information and we will put it into the mode formula, which is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now H difference we know 30 to 35 is our class interval. So H is 5, L is 30. So 30 plus 10 minus 9 upon 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 5. Solve this, you will get 30.625 as your answer. Now we have to find out this answer with the help of mean also. So for the mean, we will be finding out xi. Xi comes out to be 15 plus 20 divided by 2. Using that, we have found out the xi, and we are going to use the formula of fi xi upon sigma fi. On using this, sigma fi xi comes out to be 1022.5 and sigma fi comes out to be 35. Just divide, then it comes out to be 29.2. So thus most states student teacher ratio of 30.6, on an average the ratio is 29.2. Question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. So run scores are given in a gap of 1000. Number of batsmen are also given: 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Highest is 18. According to 18, model class comes out to be 4000 to 5000, and F0 is 4, F1 is 18 and F2 is 9. So clearly we can find out the information from the table itself, and using this we will put it into the formula. It becomes 4000 plus 18 minus 4 upon 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. Solve this, you will get for 4608.7 runs approximately. Question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in a given table below. Find the mode of the data. Now number of cars he has mentioned 0 to 10, 10 to 20 with a gap of 10. Frequencies are 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Highest is 20. On the highest frequency we found the model class 40 to 50. According to that, I know F0 is 12, F1 is 20 and F2 is 11. So we will put this in our formula. We will get 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 20 into 2 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Solve this, you get 44.7 cars according to the mode method. That's all for this exercise, children. This was very easy. Just learn the formula, mark the information in the table itself. Based on the frequency, you will get all the information and do your calculations. Do lots of practice so that you become strong. You don't forget the formula. Very soon I am going to come with the next video, children. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.